Everyone, welcome to the second episode of unboxing, unpacking of my car stuff. And today we have several packages, and let's start with this one. It's pretty heavy and I know what is inside. I think it should be like coating for your car, right? Okay, so we have here a sponge. Next we have nozzle. Now it's blocked. Oh, because here we have pin, right? On and off pin. How to say on? Oh, okay, now it's working. And off. It's actually very convenient to store it in your car. Next, whoa, we even have microfiber cloth. Wow, that's nice. It's maybe not the best quality microfiber cloth, but man, it's in a kit. And the last one is this 3-in-1 ceramic coating spray, quick, clean, shiny, capacity 300 milliliters. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here how much it was, but I believe it was like around 10 bucks or a little less than 10 bucks. Yes. Function: waterproof, acid rain resistant, wear resistant, corrosion resistant, enhanced paint surface brightness, high temperature resistance, UV resistance. So actually the last two are very important for my area, for Yamaguchi. Very important for my area, for Japan, because in Japan sun is super strong and paint and plastic like fades in extremely fast pace. And it even has the manual how to use it. Made in China. Clean and dry the paint, so I assume we need to use it after the cleaning. Shake evenly, spray on the... It's actually very hard to shake evenly because the bottle is not see-through. It's actually plus and minus. It's plus that it's protected from the UV, because like the bottle is not see-through, but of course it's minus because you can see, did you shake evenly or what? Spray on the car paint, spread evenly with the sponge, so I assume like this one. Wait for 3-5 minutes to semi-dry state and polish it with a towel until it's shiny. Okay, so we're gonna test it later. Package number 2. It is extremely puffy. So I assume there is something fragile inside. So let's take our Victorinox and carefully open it. Okay. And what do we have here? Okay. Understand. I thought it will be something different. It is a touch-up paint for my car, for Audi A6 C7. The color is glacier white, and actually it is absolutely... some kind of instructions. It is absolutely the same product that I bought recently with another supplier from the Aliexpress. It is the same. 1 second. This is the previous one. This is the new one. As you can see, they are practically same. But we're gonna test it anyway. And package number 3. It is combined package. I feel some other packages inside, so let's do it as the last one. Let's cut it open. Very carefully. Okay, so what we have here. Okay, first of all, this is a small kit for vinyl to wrap your car and so on. I'm planning maybe in the future to wrap some of the parts of my car. So here we have a very sharp knife with the extra blades. Okay, some tool to like push the vinyl wrap in a between panel space, in a gap between the panels. From this side it's very, very flexible. Yeah. Then we have the last one, I believe, right? What is this? Oh, okay, so we have squeegee. Not very flexible squeegee. And on the one hand, on the one side it has some kind of this cloth material. And this is the replacement. Okay, so this is number one. Oh, I understand now. This is the package like from Aliexpress when you have like 3-pack deal with a big discount. So it was very, very cheap. Check the link in the description if you're interested. The next one, oh, I know. It's a vacuum. I think it is a part of the vacuum. It is a mini vacuum cleaner. I think it was like some kind of $5 or something. So super cheap, really cheap. Okay, filter. Okay. And is it like Type C? Yeah, it's Type C, wow. Okay, so this is 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, home and car. But of course, like to use it in a car. I bought it to use it in a car. Where's my brush? I can't see this one. Oh, it was inside the package. Okay, everything here. So of course you need to understand it's super cheap, super small, extremely plasticky. I think you can see it, you can see the quality. But let's turn on. It sounds pretty strong, like for this type of vacuum cleaner. So I believe it's supposed to go here from this side, right? Yeah, something like this. Ah, okay, 2-in-1 because you have blower from here, but it's practically useless blower, in my opinion. And from this end, you have the vacuum. Let's test it a little bit on something. I don't know. Let's use the attachment. Oh, it worked. Wow, actually, yeah, for this price, extremely interesting. Okay, let me put it back in a box, and let's check out the last one. Okay, the whole pack of protecting tape, protecting film. What does it say? One piece, nano, transparent. Blah blah blah. I can't see it. So the basic idea that you can protect with this tape, and it's a lot of tape. I should say it's a lot of tape. So you can protect your door space in a car, or your boot space, trunk space. So everywhere where you can like scratch it or something. And they claim to be like very, the adhesive should be very easy to peel from the car, from the surface that you used it. So it looks like this. It feels like rubbery-ish, silicone-ish. So I'm gonna try it too. But I think with the unpacking for second episode, I think it will be enough. So thank you for watching. And as usual, the sponsor is my POV channel. So see you next time.